guys, look at my cats. They love the thing. Oh my god. They love it so much. Come on, let go! Bro, let go. You're gonna rip it. This is what I have to do all the time. We had one that ripped. Now we have another. Oh, look at the skittish kitty. Hi, skittish kitty. Oh my god, I'm just... Yeah, the rut's just over there. Like, stop. See, you stuck. You dummy. You're so dumb, kitty. Dang, you just slapped her in the face, Rusty. Whoa. Stormy, get it. Come on, Storms. Ooh, Stormy got it. Rory just likes it too much. She's gonna rip it off like the other one we had. See? He's gonna rip it off and he's gonna spill my Coke, and if he does, I'm gonna get him. Let it go. Just skittish kitties over there like, what? This is, okay, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. You're gonna rip it, I said. It's not a real bird. Let go. Oh my god. You're gonna rip it off, I said. But he didn't. He said you said nothing. A little he said, she said stupid stuff. Alright, you guys, just stay right there real quick. Hopefully Rusty doesn't get you guys too, so. What are they doing out there? Anyway, let me put this on. Okay. Alright, you guys, it's back in Babe's nest. Oh my god. Stop! Let go. Like, I have to do this so we won't rip it off. Because, you know, Stormy. Dang, you just slapped Stormy in the face! You guys, I'm going to try to put you guys in a location. It's, like, easier. I'm pretty sure, like, that's the okay spot. Rusty! Oh my god, you guys. I hope you did not see my face, but yeah, if you did, I have to make this video all over again. Oh my god, he's just ripping up into 1,000. No! Don't eat it! You guys might think I'm being mean to him, but I just don't want him to tear up this toy because it was actually expensive. Oh my god, he just keeps taking it. And he's gonna rip it off like the other one. Sorry if it's a little sideways. And there goes, look. Oh, it's stuck. Rusty, let me see. Robbie, let me see. It's stuck. Oh my god, he just ripped it off again. See, it's stuck. You guys, hold on. Here. Rusty. Boy. Alright, that's enough playing, okay? We're not playing anymore. Okay, let me see. I can't even get it on. You guys. No. I'm gonna see if Skittish Kitty wants it. Dang, he just hit Skittish Kitty. Rusty, stop! He's so mean. Okay. That's his face right now. He looked right into the camera. Oh, he went flying. Alright, bye guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Shout out to, I have no idea, so just bye.